Hey everyone! Let's face it, payday is pretty exciting. But let's be honest, the whole waiting for that paper check to arrive, or even for the traditional bank transfer to hit your account, can feel like an eternity. Especially when that weekend getaway or that bill you forgot about is looming. What if there was a way to get your paycheck faster and ditch the check altogether? Well, that's where direct deposit comes in. It's a super convenient way to have your paycheck electronically deposited straight into your checking or savings account. But with so many banks out there, you might be wondering, does Ally Bank accept direct deposit? The rise of the online bank and the importance of direct deposit. Online banks have become increasingly popular in recent years. They offer competitive interest rates, often with fewer fees compared to traditional brick-and-mortar banks. Ally Bank is a frontrunner in the online banking space, known for its high-yield savings accounts and user-friendly online platform. But with the convenience of an online bank comes the question, can you still get the benefits of direct deposit like you might with a traditional bank? The answer is a resounding yes. In fact, Ally Bank not only accepts direct deposit, but they've made the process incredibly easy. Setting up direct deposit with Ally Bank, a breeze, not a hurricane. Here's the good news, setting up direct deposit with Ally Bank is a breeze. There are two main ways to do it. Directly through Ally Bank, they've got a dedicated direct deposit setup page you can access through your online banking account. This user-friendly platform walks you through the process step by step. All you'll need is your employer or payroll provider's routing number and your account number. Simple as that. Through your employer or payroll provider, most employers and payroll providers will have a section dedicated to setting up direct deposit. Just provide them with Ally Bank's routing number, which is readily available on their website and mobile app, and your account number. They might also offer a downloadable direct deposit form, which Ally Bank conveniently has available for you if needed. Bonus alert, early direct deposit with Ally Bank. Here's where things get even better. Ally Bank actually offers early direct deposit. That means, depending on your employer and when they submit the payment, you could potentially receive your paycheck up to 2 days earlier than your scheduled payday. That's 2 extra days to breathe a sigh of relief, plan your budget, or, book that weekend getaway without sweating it. Things to keep in mind with direct deposit. While direct deposit is fantastic, there are a few things to keep in mind. Double-check your information. Make sure you provide your employer or payroll provider with the correct Ally Bank routing number and account number. Any typos could lead to delays or even lost funds. Allow for processing time. It usually takes 1 to 2 pay cycles for direct deposit to kick in. So, be patient and don't panic if you don't see your first paycheck instantly. Know your employer's schedule. Early direct deposit is a great perk at Ally Bank, but it relies on your employer submitting the payment early. So, make sure you understand your employer's payroll schedule to manage your expectations. Ally Bank and direct deposit, a perfect match? So, the answer is clear. Ally Bank absolutely accepts direct deposit, and they've made the process incredibly easy. Plus, with the potential for early direct deposit, Ally Bank becomes an even more attractive option for those who want to maximize their convenience and potentially get their hands on their hard-earned money a bit sooner. Whether you're a longtime Ally Bank customer or considering making the switch, their user-friendly approach to direct deposit is definitely a plus. So, ditch the check hassle and explore the world of direct deposit with Ally Bank. With that said, thanks for watching and until next time.